Drop a pin. It just means to share your location or give a location to someone. You can share your current location as a snapshot. The person who you share with sees only that location, and they won't be able to follow you as you move. How to drop a pin in messages. Open a conversation or start a new message. Tap the plus button, then tap location. Tap the map pin button. The map pin button may not appear if the recipient is not using an iPhone. Tap send pin, then send your message. You can also share your current location by dropping a pin in Maps. I'm going to demonstrate that using Google Maps. When launching Google Maps, by default, the map will open to your current location. Tap the location you wish to share, tap the share icon, choose your recipient, then send your message as you normally would. When you drop a pin, you share only that current location. The person that you shared with can't see your ongoing location as you move